Hello, I want to share my thoughts on some of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite of softwares. These are tools that I use on a daily basis in my creative work, and I found them to be extremely helpful. First up is Adobe Premiere Pro, a professional video editing software where whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, Premiere Pro has a wide range of features and tools to help you create high quality video content. I have used it for everything from simple vlogs to more complex video projects, and it's always been up to the task. Next is Photoshop, a powerful image editing software. If you are looking to retouch, enhance, or create a digital art, Photoshop has an extreme set of tools to help you get the job done. I have used it for everything from basic color correction to more complex compositing work, and I have always been impressed with the results. Illustrator is another software that I use frequently. It's a vector graphics software with a user-friendly interface and powerful tools for creating custom shapes and paths. Whether you are working on a simple logo or a complex piece of artwork, Illustrator has the tools to help you bring your designs to life. After Effects is a motion graphics software that I use for creating visual effects and animations. It has a wide range of features and tools to help you create professional grade graphics and animation, and I have found it to be an essential part of my workflow. Lightroom is a photo editing software that I use for enhancing and organizing my digital images. It has powerful tools for adjusting exposure, color, and other elements of my photos. I find it to be much faster and more effective alternative to Photoshop for basic image editing. InDesign is a layout and design software that I use for creating professional grade documents such as brochures, magazines, and books. It has a wide range of features and tools to help you create beautiful and effective layouts, and I find it to be an essential part of my workflow. Media Encoder is a software that I use for encoding and transcoding audio and video files from different formats. It's a simple but powerful tool that helps me ensure that my media files are in right format for various platforms and devices. Audition is a digital audio workstation that I use for recording, editing, and mixing audio tracks. Whether I'm recording a podcast or creating sound effects for video, Audition has all the tools I need to get the job done. Finally, Acrobat is a software that I use for creating, editing, and sharing PDF documents. It is a simple but powerful tool that helps me ensure that my documents are accurate and consistent, and I find it to be an essential part of my workflow. So there you have it. I highly recommend giving these tools a try. They've been a valuable part of my workflow, and I'm confident they'll be able to help you as well.